Orlando Pirates legend Innocent Maila has thrown his full support behind a newly appointed club captain Kosinati Sibisi and his deputies, Tapelo Xoki and Bekezile Mbokazi, as the Buccaneers prepare for a challenging 2025-2026 campaign. Sibisi takes over the armband following Maila's retirement at the end of the last season, with Xoki and rising star Mbokazi named as vice captains. Maila, who captained Pirates from 2022 after succeeding Happy Jele, believes the leadership group has the qualities to guide the team with grace and wisdom, and said, I think it was well deserved. The people that were elected, I had a word with them, wishing them grace and wisdom for the journey they are about to undertake. The 32-year-old singled out Mbokazi's appointment as a significant milestone in the young player's career, predicting the responsibility will accelerate his personal and professional growth, and said, as young as he is, for him to be blessed with his responsibility will force him to grow within himself, become a better human being, a better player, and a good influence wherever he is, whether representing the team or in his personal space. It will make him act and behave in a responsible way now that he's in this position. Maila expressed confidence that CBC and Clocky are equally prepared for the task ahead, noting that both had been close to leadership roles even during his tenure, and said, I know they are more than capable of leading this great institution to even more success. Even when I was there, CBC and Clocky were almost in that position. I wish them all the best of luck. I know they will do well. With Maila's endorsement and the new leadership team in place, Pirates now turn their focus to the new season, aiming to build on their recent successes under the guidance of their trusted captains. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.